by us, passes it across to Mike Hammond. Hammond throws one in on Colleen, who backs it away. Shot in, and it makes its way through the defence and into the net. Fortuitous goal from the Manchester Storm, but he's doing just enough to keep him at bay. 45 seconds left to go in the penalty. Banned shot by the Manchester Storm. Almost like they got too much time. And that one squeezes over the line. Manchester Storm extend the lead. 4-4, of course. We got the jump in the step, and it's a goal! You can see the MK Lightning had the tails in the air. Now, speed going forward, right out in front. Mike Hammond just not able to get on the hook at the far post. Chance now right out in front again, and it's a goal for the Manchester Storm. Kieran Long with a nice little backhand finish. MK keep it in. Griffiths now in the Storm net. Wallace takes his position up in the centre, and it's in. Great finish.
Looks like it might have gotten deflected in front as well.
Rolling cleanly by the Storm. Someone takes it, turns one way and then backhands it the other. Manchester Storm on the breakout. It's over. Right out in front, Goslers has delayed Coleman up, but the puck's gone in the net, so that won't matter. Never gave up on that puck. It's the Storm that have the puck right out in front. Big shot! And a goal by Dallas there. I think he put everything on that, Chris. They win the draw. Through the neutral zone and straight into Mackin's net. Well, that's a play that Mackin will want back. Pushes that puck forward. Good opportunity now for the Manchester Storm. It's Logan McMillan, and it's a great finish.
Great to see him getting a couple of goals in there tonight.
The Storm that win the draw. Good play forward by Barmer, but gives the puck to the Lightning. Lightning try out in front, and it's an easy tapping at the far post by Fine. Once again tries to clear, it's cut out on the blue line once again by the Lightning. Lightning doing a great job of putting out this puck as Storm try and clear. In the edge of that shot, it's a goal for the Lightning. 35 seconds left to go.